Meaning of ecological footprint.
Ecological footprint.
Ecological footprint.
Ecological footprint.
Ecological footprint. Ecological footprint refers to the measure of human demand on Earth's ecosystems. It calculates the amount of biologically productive land and sea area required to produce the resources people consume and absorb the wastes they generate. The result is expressed in global hectares, GA, which represents the average productivity of the land and sea area worldwide. A larger ecological footprint indicates a greater environmental impact and a higher demand for resources. Reducing one's ecological footprint is crucial for ensuring a sustainable future for our planet and its natural resources.